Ramesh travels from town A to town B at an average speed of 45 km per hour and the returns at an average speed of 55 km per hour. If the total journey took 8 hours excluding stop, find the distance between the town A and town B here. So Ramesh is traveling from town A to town B. Okay, let me write here A to B. Okay. He's traveling from A to B, average speed of a 45 kilometer. In that they have given speed will be denoting by V equals to V, that is V equals to, that is 45 kilometer per hour has been given. Okay, now returns at an average speed of 55 kilometer per hour. For return I am going to write here, that is B to A, this time B to A, and that time the average speed has been changed, that is V equals to 55 kilometer per hour. So what I will do, from A to B I'll consider V1, from B to A I'll consider V2. Okay, because the same place, the same distance, but the speed has changed here. Okay, A to B, B to A is nothing but what, it is having the same distance, but only the speed has changed here. Okay, if the total journey took 8 hours, total journey is nothing but that is from A to B, again B to A, the total journey. Okay, I mean total time, we can see total time it has been taken, that is 8 hours. In 8 hours we don't know how much for A to B and we don't know how much from B to A again. The total journey we know that it is 8 hours. Okay, now journey took 8 hours excluding leave about the stops and all. Find the distance between town A and town B. As I mentioned already, from A to B, from B to A, the distance is remains same only. So I'm going to consider here distance equals to x. For this, distance equals to x. Okay, and for A to B I'll consider time t1, and for B to A I'll consider t2. And what we are having the formula, that is speed equals to distance divided by t, and in that we have know that is total time. So what we will do, we will calculate for the t. So we'll be having, after doing the cross multiplication, we'll be having t equals to d by v. Okay, and here it is, I'm going to consider for A to B t1, okay, equals to d by v. D is how much, that is x, that is distance, kilometer, x kilometer, by v here, that is for this v1. Okay, that is we are having 45 kilometer per hour, or we can say by hour here. Okay, now what we will do, like that for this one t2 equals to, we'll be having same distance x kilometer and the speed which is 55 kilometer per hour. Okay, now here this kilometer get cancels here, and the r it will goes to the numerator after simplification. So I'll be having x by 45 r. This is timing for A to B, and for t2, that is we'll be having again x by 55, hr goes to the numerator. I'll be having this time for the B to A. Now what they have given, they have given the total time. So total time is nothing but total time equals to t1 plus t2. T1 is A to B, B to A. Okay, now total time it has been given, that is 8 hours, and T1, that is x by 45 r plus this side is x by 55 by r. So this is the expression we will get here. So to further simplify here, 45 and 55's LCM we need to take here. Okay, let me do here. Here it is 45 and 55. Let me start with the 5 here. 5 9s are 45, 5 1s are 5 1s are here. Okay, let me take a 3 now. 3 3s are 11 as it is. 3 1s are 11 as it is. Let me take a 11. Okay. Now we need to multiply. 5 3s are 15. 11 3s are 33. 55 into 33, I'll get 495. So we got the denominator, that is, I mean LCM, we got the 495. Okay, now see here. 45, how much is a 495? 45, 11 is a 495, and 55, how much is a 495? 55, 9 is a 495. Here x into 11, 11x plus x into 9, 9x I'll get here. I'm just writing here, that is 11x plus 9x. Okay, and here at the left side we are having already 8. Now let me shift 495 to the left side. 8 into 495 we will get, and here 11x plus 9x will get a 20x. Now we will calculate for the x, that's why 20 I'm shifting to the left side. 8 into 495 by 20 equals to x we are having now. Okay, now we will start simplifying this one. See here, 2 4s are 8, 2 10s are 20. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45, 49 minus 45, left with the 4 here. Okay, again we are having 45 here. Now 5 9s are 45. Okay, now 299 we need to multiply. After multiplication I'll be having x equals to 198. This is 198 what? This is the distance between A to B, and B to A, again it will remain same only. This is the distance 198 kilometer here. Okay, and one more thing I forgot to mention for the unit here, this is 8 hour. Okay, and in the next example, I mean in next continuation step r, I'm going to take a common here. Okay, so it will remain like this. Okay, here it is r. Now this r get cancelled here. Okay, now it is left with, and for x we have considered no d equals to x kilometer, so that we'll get d equals to 198 kilometer, that is.